the situation in our local mountains growing more dire by the day.
There's roofs collapsing everywhere.
San Bernardino County officials say crews have done more than 100 search and rescue operations in the last few days.
We've had helicopters go over and survey the heck out of our community, but no one's on foot except people like you, and I appreciate that. What's really happening where I live, 2 homes have collapsed already. We're hiking down here just to bring fresh produce now to our little community of 40 spaces.
Listen, I've got room for one more, and then I'm headed to Top Town. Can I go with you? Yes, my car is parked behind that news van right there.
The volunteers that are here are amazing. A lot of people, it's just too far to walk from the lake. You know, if they live on the opposite end of the lake is 3 miles around. Trying to carry groceries or get out of a street that hasn't been plowed, it's defeating.
People can't get to grocery stores. On this mountain, we've had 66% of our grocery stores are now closed, so this is huge.
There's vegetables and some fruit. There's potatoes, apples, zucchini, and broccoli, and also you can get some cases of water.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You did a great job.
Thank you.